Really not sure about the noise that's making. That's not right. That's really not right. Okay, it was quite evident there was something not quite right with this. This was the first thing I pulled out. That wasn't too bad. And then the ensuing hour was spent removing this one. Which is a perfect size, girls, just so you know, to fit through these holes. So if you have a defective brassiere with these sort of, I don't know what they are. I don't know. I'm not sure if they're supposed to lift and separate, or I don't know. I'm more used to taking them off, girls, than actually asking what they're for. But anyway, so yes, girls, if you have a slightly defective brassiere, please remember that it can fuck up your washing machine, and not only that, it can fuck up the afternoon of whoever then has to try and extricate, because once they get through here, then they get all mangled up. And it was a real what's the term, I better not swear too much. It was a challenge to retrieve these. Well, that one wasn't too bad, that wasn't too damaged, but that one was exceptionally difficult to remove. So please be careful with your bra.